Hi there, welcome to Ullas Tech Solution. In this video, we will learn how to change your Google Chrome theme. First of all, you need to go to your Google Chrome server. Then click this Google Chrome server. Now, in this Google server homepage, in the below section, you will find a Customize Page section. Then click this Customize Page section. After that, in the Customize Page section, you will find three options: background, shortcuts, and color and theme. If you want to change your background color, just click this option, color and theme. Now, lots of color display. You can choose any of them. I would like to choose this one. Then click the Done button. Here you can see the background theme color is changed. If you want to change the background theme, again go to the Customize Page section. After that, you will find many themes and choose any of them. If you want to change the background from your any picture, just click this one, Upload from Device. Now choose your picture. I would like to choose this one. Just click this picture. Now we can see the Google Chrome background theme already changed. In this way, we can customize our Google Chrome theme. Hope so. After watching this video, you can customize your Google Chrome background theme. Keep learning. Have a nice day.